my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing discount glasses. So I basically have this non-branded one and then also some Lumineers frames. So I'm gonna first check out the Lumineers frames. Now, one thing I did notice when I was on their website was that my PD, which basically is where my pupils are located, is a little bit wider than most people's. And so something that I really appreciated is that they have a lot of frames that are good for people with all sorts of, wider faces, longer, whatever it is, whatever makes you, more unique, they have a frame for you. So this one is specifically for large PD peeps like me. So you can see turtle pattern over here. These are actually just the frames. These are not necessarily, they don't have any prescription or anything like that. So you can order just the frames. You can have prescription. You can also add different stuff such as blue light filters or anti-reflective. I mean, they have all sorts of different choices. What I really like is that, it's super affordable as well. These frames were literally 30 bucks. I like frames that are a little bit more boxy, basically cover up my eye bags. But I like them to have the line right there so that I feel less subconscious about that. The second frame is a frame that I normally wear. So this one has the blue light filter, so you can see the light is actually green in this photo because there is a filter on there. And then secondly, I have a frame that I've been using for 10 years that looks almost identical to this. I like frames that are not quite all the way black, but are also not super grit light either. They're just kind of a light, nice balance. So let's go ahead and put these on. I'm not gonna open my eyes just because they are prescription lenses and I'm wearing contacts right now, but this is how it looks like. And I put a few frames on there. First, there's blue light filter. There's also anti-reflective. So if you would like to purchase some frames for yourself, check out the link below. And if you like product unboxings and unopenings, continue watching and make sure to subscribe so you can see more of it. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.